Easy to use, Algebra Maths Problem Solver, solve algebraic equations in seconds. Features: solves both simple and complex equations, solve equations carrying any polynomials or degrees, factoring of expressions within seconds, use on any browsers, or on your mobile. Steps: enter a linear equation in the text box. Check the operator signs, plus, minus etc. between the variables and constants. Click the Calculated button. Get the solved answer. You can calculate a quadratic equation also. You can calculate a cubic equation also. Get the solved answer, 100% accurate.